Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Kinza Shaukat. I'm lecturer at Kent Public High School and Boys College, Wahdat Colony, Texla. Students, today we will cover our topic report writing. What is a report? A report is a specific form of writing used to communicate information regarding issues, events, or findings that have been examined through proper research and analysis. Then comes parts of report. Receiver's address. Before receiver's address, date will be mentioned above. Then sender's address, subject, salutation, introduction of topic, report, conclusion, suggestions, signature. Date. Date is always on right side of the page after topic. Receiver's address. There should be a clear address of institute, designation and place, whatever is required in this report. Sender's address should be clear. That person is belonging to certain group of news from XYZ city. Subject. There should be a single line clear subject. Clear subject statement is necessary to understand the report topic in a single glance. Then comes introduction. After salutation, greetings, sir or madam, report will be opened by an introduction. In an introduction, topic will be defined by some clear facts that society is suffering with this and that problem. Introduction will be of 5 to 6 lines. Then comes the heading report. There should be 10 to 12 lines about the report of topic, that why the society is facing the problem. All the statements should be clear and based on facts and figures. Conclusion. It will consist of 2 to 3 lines, that these are some findings of our report. Suggestions. Every report ends with some kind of suggestions or recommendations. Suggestions can be written on the form of passage or 5 to 6 points. Signature. Name of person will be written at right bottom corner of the page parallel to the date. It is a format of report. First of all, we will write topic on top, then date 23rd June 2020, then to the address to whom we are sending our report, the director ABC Company XYZ City, from the reporter Dawn News ABC City. Then subject, a report about dash in a single line. Then salutations, greetings, sir. Then introduction, 5 to 6 lines or 1 paragraph. Report will consist of 10 to 12 lines or 2 paragraphs. Then conclusion of 2 to 3 lines. Then suggestions, 5 to 6 points. Then at right corner, signature XYZ. This is a proper format of your report writing, students. Thank you.